Do you have multiple cars and you're looking at 3-car garage, 1-story home with a bonus room or a study room inside the home, which is located a bonus for you in the most developed area here in Central Florida? This property that I'm gonna tour you is the best fit for you right now. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go. Hello, welcome back. Just in case you're new in my channel, my name is RJ Bautista, your favorite incredible realtor here in Central Florida, specializing in new construction with LPT Realty. This video is brought to you by Trinity Builders with Hayden Model Home. And this is a new construction home with very good specific home that I will show you right now. But first thing, as you can see here, you will see like that small door on your right. That small door is for your package. If you have a big package coming in, they can put the package inside of your door so no one can have it apart from you, because you will have a code on that door. So makes sense. Very good. I like that setup because we know that we deliver package and your package will be safe during the delivery. So as soon as you come here inside of the home, you will see this beautiful entrance and also a high ceiling, just over 9-foot ceiling in this particular home, which is estimated. And as soon as you turn left here, this is your first 2-bedroom in front of your house. This first bedroom is estimated 11 by 10 and also over 9-foot ceiling, and also you will get this beautiful closet here, and also the closet here is pretty good. You can put a lot of clothes here, and also in this bedroom they put a double bed here. However, you can put a queen size bed here as well. And now we are heading to the second bedroom, which is the very front of your house, and this one is estimated the same size of the other one, which is 11 by 10 and over 9-foot ceiling. And also you will have a double door closet here, which is a pretty good size for your closet. And also you will get a good window size here for natural light. You can put the same size of bed here, which is a double bed or a queen size bed, whichever your choice. And this is a pretty good space as well for who's gonna use for this particular bedroom. And now we are heading to the first shared bathroom. As you can see it here on your left, this is gonna be your first shared bathroom. You will have a 2 doors here. The second door here, as I'm showing you right now, which is your private toilet and also your shower area with fully tiles here, as you can see it here. And also you will have a privacy here using this toilet. And here is your his and her sink with quartz countertop here, white color. And also the good thing here is you will have a large shared bathroom here. And also in this particular area, you will have this cloth, you will have this linen closet or additional linen closet here that you can use for this particular home. And now we are heading to the good stuff, so make sure to keep watching this video so you will see the entrance of this particular home. But before that, you will see this door here. This is gonna be the AC room, and the AC that they use here is the Train. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Train. Train is the #1 AC brand here that I've seen so far. They're really good and reliable. Next one is the third bedroom, which is the same size of the other two that I just shown you. This one is 11 by 10 and estimated just over 9-foot ceiling, and you will have a beautiful window there for natural light. And also the setup here are similar to those 2 bedroom that I showed you, which is a pretty good size. And also for the bed that you would like to put, you can either put double bed or also a queen size bed. And now we are here in the good stuff, which is your living space area, which included your living room, your kitchen, and also your dining room, which is all together. What I love about this home is about like you don't have any facilities that you're going left and right to get together in your living space area. So this is open concept floor plan. So as you can see here, we are in the living room area. You can put like a 3-seater there and also 2 single seat here and your television there, which is a pretty good setup for this particular home. And also now we are here in the dining area, which you can fit a circle dining table here with 6 chairs, which you can gather all together in this particular area, which is a pretty good size as well. And now we are heading here on the kitchen area. You will have here a center island with very good quartz countertop here, and also in this particular kitchen area you will have a backsplash here with fully tiles and this large sink. And this large sink is very deep, which is I'm a big fan of, because if you're washing dishes, it will be easy for you to wash dishes if you have a large sink there. And also you will see here this beautiful setup of your appliances as well. And now we are heading here in the laundry area, and also this is not just a laundry area. What they did here was they put this like a small area if you have a pet, which you can put like that way, or you can use that as a storage unit. Also, the washer and dryer is negotiable as well. Here is the pantry that I'm showing you right now, which is a very good and large one, and this door is access to your 3-car garage, right? I love this home because of the 3-car garage, especially if you have multiple cars that you're using. I very recommend to have a 3-car garage so that you don't have to park your cars outside of your home, so they can be all in the 3 cars inside of your home, so no problem, especially if it's raining or whatever could happen outside. Your car is safe in this particular home because you have the 3-car garage, which will fit on your needs. Very, very good. I love this home. And now we are heading to the good stuff, or one of the good stuff here is the den area. I don't know if you're familiar with the den area. This den area or the den room is additional room for you to study, or sometimes you can use this room for, let's say, additional guest bedroom, I would say. And you will have this door or this glass door, French door, to use it as private area here in your kitchen, which is really good. And the estimated size of this den area is 11 by 10, which is the same size of the ceiling. A very good setup if either you're gonna use it for additional bedroom for guests, or you can use it for your study room or office room, which is really good. An extra for you, or a bonus. Let me just show you this particular covered lanai or covered backyard, which is really, really good. And also I am showing you the backyard or the exterior look at the back of your house, which is very, very good. And also you will get a large backyard lot here as well on this particular community or neighborhood, which is I very recommend. If you like a large backyard, this home is for you. And now we are heading to the master bedroom, which is a very, very good one. I love this one as well. So this is the master bedroom, which is estimated 14 by 14. Look how big is this. They put a king size bed here, or you can put a queen size bed here. It's up to you whatever you want to put, but you have a large bedroom here, as you can see. And now we are heading to the ensuite bathroom here, and you will have a his and her sink with white quartz countertop here. And this particular area is your walk-in closet. Look how big is this walk-in closet. If you're a big fan of walk-in closet, this home is another one for you. And you will have a private toilet here for you to use it, and also for the shower area here with a glass door and fully tiles. And look at this one. If you come here and you will see the shower head, you will have this one shower head, and the second shower head you will have two shower head here that you can use. And also for additional information for this home, you can buy this home for move-in ready, or you can build this from the ground or from the scratch. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that you are aware that this particular builder, they do what you want from them. So it means like if you want to save money during your home buying process for new construction, I very recommend to buy a move-in ready rather than to build from the scratch. Because what will happen is, if you're gonna buy a new construction from move-in ready, then you're gonna build it for, let's say, for 6 to 8 months, you cannot lock the interest rate, because the interest rate can only lock up to 90 days. For disclaimer, I am not a lender, but this is what I experienced from the past client, and this is the best for all the buyers out there who wants to save money during the home buying process. All right. And also, last thing that I would like to show you, this particular community has no CDD. Okay, if you don't know about the CDD, there's no CDD in this community. community, and also they have a beautiful swimming pool area and amenities and playground for the kids, and also for you who would like to enjoy living in this community itself. It's very good, and the location of this property is located in Claremont area. And for last additional information for you that I would like to add here, this particular community is just around the corner from the Olympus coming up. I'm always put something on my video if I'm gonna put some content in Claremont area, because Claremont is gonna be boom starting from either next year or the year after because of the Olympus. The Olympus is big sport complex that's coming up here in this particular location. That's why a lot of builder trying to build in this particular area because of this Olympus. If I were you, I won't wait until the Olympus is fully built then buy a home here, because price of the home here when the Olympus is not fully built is low. Compare when the Olympus is fully built, price home here is gonna be skyrocketing, or it's gonna be too expensive. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is informative. If I missed something, you can comment new home so I could see how many people who watch this video until the end, and also whatever you think that I missed something, I will try to answer your question. You can always DM me, inbox me, email me, or call me or text me to my work cell number, and I will reply you for all the questions that you may have in this particular home or in general in new construction. This is RJ Bautista once again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for today. Peace. That's a long one. Bye.